Here's a very interesting probability question where we do not know if they are mutually exclusive and we don't know if they're independent as well. This really means that the relationship between the two is completely unknown. So what that's saying is both could be occurring at the same time, like exclusively at the same time, meaning like if the probability of B is 20% and the probability of A is 50%, the probability of B could be something like the chance of getting ice cream, but you only get ice cream if you win the game, and you only win the game 50% of the time. So that would be a certainly not independent event, getting the ice cream, because you have to get the ice cream only if you win. But still, if you win, sometimes you don't get the ice cream. But independent events is something like you win this game versus there is traffic on the way home. These have nothing to do with each other. In that case, they're independent. Mutually exclusive events is a whole nother situation. For example, you win the game versus you lose the game, and maybe there's another point 0.3 for tie the game. So all of these situations, it's completely unknown, the relationship. So let's ask ourselves the question then. What could be the probability of both A and B occurring if the probability of A is this and the probability of B is this? There's no information, blah, 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 blah. Multiple answer choices can be right. We should use the Venn diagram method. Imagining they are mutually exclusive looks like this. This is the 0.5 circle, and this is the 0.2 circle on the right because it's smaller. Well, the question asks for what's probability they both occur. When they both, or sorry, when there is no overlap at all, the probability that both of them occurring is 0. So our minimum extreme, we can say, is 0 in this case. The opposite situation is when there is complete overlap. Well, the overlap in that case is the entire interior circle. That interior circle has an area, let's just call it, of 0.2, making our maximum extreme 0.2. All correct answers are between 0 and 0.2 because, there's intermediate situations where the circles overlap a little bit more and more and more until they fully overlap.